Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to activate SoundCloud on Xbox. Firstly, open the Microsoft Store on your Xbox One. Search for SoundCloud and download the app, and wait for the installation to complete. Now open SoundCloud on your Xbox and select Login. An activation code will be displayed on your screen. On a phone, tablet or a computer, go to soundcloud.com/activate. Sign into your SoundCloud account and enter the activation code from your Xbox. Once the code is entered, your Xbox One will sync with your SoundCloud account. You can enjoy streaming your favorite music and playlist directly from your console. Now you're ready to vibe on Xbox with SoundCloud. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.